Well, my name is Abdul Rahman, and in this video, I am going to scrap an e-commerce website known as Walmart.com. So, Walmart is an American supermarket company, so it has its own website known as Walmart.com. So, I'm going to scrap Walmart.com from an article. So, as you can see here, this is the article. So, in Walmart.com, I'm going to scrap a product detail like the product name, rating, the product price, and etc. So as you can see here, I'm going to scrap this product. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, as usual, I'm going to use here the Jupyter notebook. So first of all, I have already created as you can see here, I have already created a folder known as Data Science Walmart Product Details Scrapping Project. So I have already created this folder and then opened through the Anaconda Navigator and opened this Jupyter notebook. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, for scrapping this website, we need two libraries known as requests and BeautifulSoup. So guys, for now, so we have to install that on our computer. So we can install that by giving here something as exclamation mark and then pip install the audio requests. Let's run it, and in this one I'm going to install the BeautifulSoup. Pip Beautiful Soup 4. So BS4 is also known as BS4. So I am going to give here the Beautiful Soup 4. Now as you can see here, while installing this request, the requirement is already satisfied, and here if you see we have the requirement already satisfied for the Beautiful Soup. So these both of them are on my computer. Now first of all, let's import them. How do we import? Let's import them as the requests, and below this one I'm going to from BS4 importing the beautiful soup. Okay, now I'm going to run it. So it's going to take some time, but guys, till the time I'm going to show you the whole website, Walmart.com. So this is the website for the Walmart. Okay, now you can buy anything on this one. So now I'm going to open the product which I'm going to scrap. So this is the product details. These are the product details that I'm going to scrap in this video. So as you can see here, we have the product name, and here we have the rating, and then we have the product price. Okay, and then we are going to product details. We are going to do that like here, this product details like Samsung class, all of this one. And then in the end of this video, I am going to put all of this. We are going to scrap all of the information, and then below this one we will be getting in the output all of this information like the what we say product name, product details, and we'll be getting the product price, etc. So guys, first of all, now I am going to create a variable here, something like target URL, because that URL will be our targets, right? So target URL, and it should be equal to we have to copy its whole thing. Okay, now I am going to copy this link and we have to paste that here in this one. Now okay, now let's, yeah, we don't have to run it right now. So guys, let's see on the screen we have to import the strings, and we have to create a variable known as response, and we have to print it. Okay, so guys, let's do that one. Let's import here. Let's give something like response. Response should be equals to, as you can see here. Okay, so response will be equals to request. So we have already imported the request. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it. I'm going to waste the time. Now I'm going to print the things. Response. Now let's run it. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting something like robot or human. So guys, what happens is, whenever you are scrapping the Walmart or some websites, while you are signing in, you will be getting some option like robot or human, something like that. So if I show you in this one, sign in account, sign in, if I give, so not here, on some websites I will be getting something like human or robot, then I will be getting a type of puzzle like select these items then click next. Okay, something like that. So here if you see here, we are also getting something like this only. This is the program, and if you see here we have the sign in widget, we are getting these things, and we are getting the robot or human response equals to request dot get. So guys, what it is doing is it's copying its HTML. You can see this is the whole HTML code for this page. So guys, yeah, as you can see here we have the robot or human, as I said here. So this is also known as the captcha. Okay, so guys, Walmart loves throwing the captchas when they think the request is coming from a script or a crawler, and not from a browser. Okay, so guys, for now we are going to use the 7 different headers to bypass the Walmart security wall. Like we are going to use it accept encoding, accept language, user agent, refer host, and connections. Okay, so guys, so what you have to do is, if I open the Walmart website and then if I go for the sign in, you will be getting something like if you are robot or human. Okay, while getting that question, so we don't want like robot or human, something like that. So guys, remember one more thing is, we are not going to use here the Chrome driver. Because we are not going to make a copy page. Okay, we are not going to make a page. If I open this website, I am going to show you. If I copy it till the end and paste it here. Okay, so guys, we are not going to use here the web driver, and we are not going to make a duplicate page like this in the Google Chrome by writing this program. Okay, so just we are going to take out the information and save. We are going to save that information with us only. Okay, so guys, first of all, I have to write here some more code. So here I have to use, as I said, I am going to use here the 7 different headers to bypass the Walmart security wall. So here for that one I have to write here some code. So I am going to pause the video till the time and write the whole code. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, I have entered here these 7 different headers. Like Google, I have the reference and I have other different headers. Okay, so now guys, I am going to run this one. But guys, I think you might have not noticed that one. Like when Walmart sends when Walmart throws a captcha, okay, it sends a 200 status code even when it runs a captcha. Okay, so guys, you might have not noticed. So if you didn't notice that one, I am going to create. If you go here, okay, and here I am going to type here something like if ROB, okay, if robot or human, okay, if robot or human it is, then I should give you something like nrs se response dot text, okay, and then I should give you something like else at the top of it. I should give you something like print true or false. True, let's see, true, and then otherwise I'm going to print the false. See, false. Now let's run it. So guys, if we have let's make it down. Okay, now so guys, if we are getting true, which means that Walmart has thrown a captcha. Otherwise, if it's getting false, then our step is successful. Now we are getting a robot or human. We are getting here we have done the mistake. Rerun it. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting something like true, which means that robot or human is in the response.txt in this one, where it is, okay, in this request. So guys, now our step is not successful. So I am going to delete this one, save it, and I don't want to be here also. Now I want to run this one. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting something like this one. Now there will be something here, around here only there will be a status code known as 200. So now guys, I am going to use here the BeautifulSoup and scrap every value step by step. Okay, so guys, I am going to minimize this one. No, we don't need that right now. So guys, I am going to paste here a block of code like soup equals to BeautifulSoup, and I don't want to be here as response.txt, and we have the HTML parser. Now so guys, I'm not going to run this one right now. I'm going to run that after some time. But till the time, wait a second, and if I open the Walmart page, walmart.com, sorry, not this one. Okay, so guys, if I open and if I right click, inspect, view page source, if I open this page, as you can see here, not here, I should right click, inspect here. I'm going to find this HTML parser. Now let's click here and let's enter here the price. Okay, so guys, we are not getting anything. Now price, DUCT product. Let's wait a second, let's close this one. Okay, now so guys, we are not getting that one here. Let's open in the view page source and let's type in here the product. Let's enter here the name. We have the viewport, and if I show you viewport here. Okay, so anyway guys, we don't need it right now, so let's leave that one right now. Now I am going to run it. Let's run it and see what is the output. So guys, as you can see here, we didn't got any output because this was just a, here we were just creating the variables. Okay, now here we have to add the try and except. So first of all, let's go at the top and sorry. Okay, now let's go at the, let's type in here the try and except. Let's type the try, and here I'm going to use here the object. So guys, I'm not going to type the whole things here right now. Till the time I'm going to pause the video and type. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, here I have written the try and except here also. So we have these three times you have the try and except. Now I'm going to run it. So nothing happened because we have not given any print statement like print this one and etc. So now guys, as you can see here on the screen, after running this one, we didn't got any output because here we have not given any print statement like print this one or anything like that. Okay, now I have written that one. So guys, let's see, as you can see here, we have the l.append object and I'm going to print it append. Now let's run it and check whether what is the data that we are getting right now. So guys, as you can see here, we have the price which is none, and we have the name which is also none, and the rating is also none, because here object the except we are getting something like we are trying this one. Okay, we are trying these classes, and then if we are not getting, then except at the end of this one we are giving something like none. Okay, so anyway guys, now we don't have any problem. We will do this one, we will solve this one later on. First of all, I have to copy the JSON data here from here. Okay, so first of all I am going to copy this data, JSON import JSON, and now I am going to paste it and run it. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting something like text error. So in the JSON it's not going to work. So guys, if you see here, we are getting something like the JSON object must be string or must be string bytes or byte array. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, here we are getting the JSON errors and another lot of errors here right now we are getting. So guys, instead of doing this one with the next data here, so here why we are using the JSON, why we are doing like next data ID, why we are doing all of this one? What is the question? What is the problem? So guys, as you can see here, what he is saying is we got all of the data except the product detail, right? But once you scroll down to the HTML data returned by your Python script, now you will be now finding out this dangerous HTML class. So guys, the reason behind this is the framework used by the Walmart website. It uses the next JSON framework which sends the JSON data once the page has been rendered completely. So when the connection was broken, product description part of the website was not loaded. So this is the solution that is we are using here as next data. So guys, another solution is we can use here the scrapping dog. Okay, so here we have to log in on the scrapping dog, and then there we have to use our API key. So guys, first of all, what is scrapping dog? Scrapping dog provides the fastest web scraping extension with the premium proxies, JavaScript rendering, and captcha clearance facility. So it is used for building everyone, whether you are a developer or non-developer. So that is what scrapping dog is. So now I am going to use the scrapping dog. Now I am going to open the scrapping dog. Sorry. The scrapping dog. Now as you can see here, I have opened this one. I am going to click on this one. Now here I have to log in this one. You have to register here first of all. So I have already registered. Now I have to log in then. So I have already registered, that's why it is opened again. So guys, first of all, you have to register. You have to enter your email address, your username, and the password, and then you will be getting a verification link on the gmail.com, and then you will be signed in on the scrappingdog.com. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this is my API key. So it will be validity for the 30 days. Now here we have to paste the our scrapping link, what we are scrapping right now. Now here I am going to copy the link. But guys, remember, we should not share our API key with anyone. Okay. Now here I am going to scrap this one. Render JavaScript, it should be no only. Now let's scrap it. It's going to take some time. So guys, as you can see here, it's already scrapping. It has been scrapping like this. So we can do this like this also using, but we can do in another way, like we can copy the API key, okay, and then we can paste that on our page. So I'm going to show you that how we can do that right now. So guys, I'm going to open my article here. This is the article. Now here, as you can see here, instead of this your API key, we have to paste our API address. Now if I open this one, we are getting this page because we have to enter here our API key right now. So I'm going to copy this API, copy this one, and I'm going to paste that here. Let's paste it here only. Now instead of this your API key, I'm going to copy my API key. Let's copy. I've copied this one now. Let's paste in our API key. Now I'm going to remove these headers. We don't want these things to be here. Now let's remove this also. Now let's save it and run it. So guys, nothing happened up to this point. Now let's see here on the page here. Here we have to paste we have to give the response.txt and we have to copy. We have to enter all of this program. Okay. So guys, the code will be given in the description below, so you can go there and copy the code. Now, so guys, as you can see here, I have removed all the data code and I have replaced the code with that code. I have written. Okay. Now, if I run this one, we are going to get I have already run this one where I have imported the JSON, and here I have given the target URL, and in the end of this one, I have entered my API key, and we have the response, etc. Now I am going to run below this cell. Response.txt is not defined. So guys, here instead of this one, IDSP response. Now let's run it. So guys, as you can see here, we are getting the price here. If you don't see this one, okay. Now here we are getting the price. We are getting the name of the product, and here we are getting the rating like 4.5. We have the details like product details, etc. So anyhow guys, this scrapping is successful in this video. Okay, so anyhow guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for the more videos, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.